Catch your breath, we're off to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, an island paradise in the Caribbean. This nation is more than just sun, sea and sand. It's a country with over 30 islands, but only 9 are inhabited. Can you believe it? Ever heard of the term Vincy? That's what locals call themselves. And here's a twist, the capital, Kingstown, is known as the City of Arches, with over 400 arches spread across the city. Did you know St. Vincent and the Grenadines is the only country with a national bird that cannot fly? Yes, it's the St. Vincent parrot, a vibrant spectacle of nature's beauty. And for the sports enthusiasts, cricket isn't just a game here, it's a way of life. So next time you're planning a getaway, why not consider a trip to St. Vincent and the Grenadines?